Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we're doing something a little different. Today we're actually doing a product review. Alright, I'm making a porchetta right now. I needed a temperature probe for it because it's a big, just massive piece of meat. And I want to monitor the temperature as I cook through it, okay? If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, thanks for stopping by. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can see all the good cooks we do, products we review, and all that good stuff. All right, guys. It's a Bluetooth thermometer. I've already got this on the grill. I got it in the package. So guys, come over here. At this angle, we'll open it up together. We'll download everything together because it needs an app, and looks like it's been pretty cool. I'm excited about this. All right, we'll come together at the end of the cook, and we'll go over how well it performed or if it didn't. And I'll let you guys know. All right. Also, there'll be a link below in the description for this. So if you feel you need to get one of these, it's about 40-50 bucks. It's not a big deal. It's if you want to have your meat turn out well, you need something like this so you can kind of pay attention as you go. All right. So come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna be setting up this iGrill Mini. So I'm getting my Bluetooth going, just to have it ready. So this is basically an unboxing and a trial run. Oh, look how cute that is. I'll move before. That is tiny. You getting that? Nice. Okay, comes in there. Let's actually look at the description or instructions. Okay, so we gotta. I'm following the instructions. Remove before using. All right, so I took this back part off. There's already a battery in it. Okay. All right. Good stuff. Okay, so let's take a minute and see what we got to do. Pretty interesting directions here. All right. So first thing we got to do is download the iGrill app. Well, good thing I opened the instructions. All right, App Store. Okay, so it found my iGrill device and it's pairing. And I'm saying yes, it's paired, continue. I'm gonna allow it. You know what, I'll take the newsletters. Sounds great. I'm gonna continue setting this up on my phone, and we'll come on back. Okay. All right, guys, I got the app set up. I got this whole little contraption set up. Put the magnet on the back. Got this set up. It's green. All right, got this ready for the temperature probe. So it basically is ready to go. So you hit start grilling. Your food temperature, because I'm not monitoring the grill temperature. I'm monitoring the food temperature. We got pork, and it just gives you a huge. All right, so what I don't see is exactly what I need. So I'm gonna do the pork shoulder. All right. So it says perfect temp is 190. I'm actually gonna shoot for probably more like 200, 205, but because we have the skin on the outside. So let's see if there's any way to adjust this. All right, so we'll go with 190 and then just kind of monitor it. So let's hit start. It says warning, colored probe indicators are not heat insulated, wear protective glove mitts. All right, when you're handling the things. So I'm pretty sure I got that, so I'm gonna hit got that. All right, so right now it's 76 in the house. I'm gonna go put this on the grill and we'll see how we go. All right, come on back. Okay guys, so it's ready to go. It's green, it's monitoring. On the inside I have it put, whoa, smoker. I have it put right in the middle. I had to push a little hard since we had to go through the skin, but it's right in the middle, so we'll get that perfect doneness. Okay, come on back. I'll put some screenshots of the temperature on the app as we go, but it's looking pretty good. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. I'm done with my review of this Weber iGrill Mini. Okay, it works. It does everything you want it to do and more. I've been monitoring the temperature on my porchetta out there. I have timers that you can use to set on it, so I'm setting it every hour so I can go out and baste it and move the porchetta around. So it's done everything I wanted to and more. What I did not do was read the instructions enough. All right, so there's a little spot right here on the back, all right, which I'll flash to you right now. I put the little base holder, and it's plastic, rubber, and a magnet, and it holds the Bluetooth base. I put it on there, and I put it right on my kettle, right on the lid. All right. I don't know why I didn't read the instructions fully. I just was assuming, and you know what happens when you assume? You make an ass out of you and me. But I was assuming this was fit for that idea of placing it on there so you could have the monitor right there. Unfortunately, it's not. So it's my fault for not reading the instructions, but for something that advertises the Weber kettle, the length of the probe cord is not that long. Okay, so it would need unless you have like the Weber Performance or some kind of built-in shelf, real close to your Weber, you need another table out there for this. I would think that they would have designed this that it could stand up to the heat on the kettle lid, so it could be right there. So ease of use, it's 100%. The features on the app, perfect. I'm okay with it. It all does great for me. I'll still use it. It'll be on my cooks. I have no problem with it. My biggest drawback on this one is that you cannot attach this to the kettle without worrying. Obviously, it melted like crazy. The back part of this was stuck to the kettle lid. So again, it's my fault for not reading the instructions. All right, but you would think that it would be able to be stuck right there. So obviously, if you have a spot that you can put the monitor, the Bluetooth base thing, it's just perfect for you. It only has one probe and one port, but I don't do a lot of huge cooks where I need one for a brisket, one for ribs, one for chicken, whatever. So this will work for me. I usually just do one solid big thing at a time. Okay, so if you're doing small cooks, or you only have the Weber and you're only doing one deal, then this is your tool. This works fine, but you'll need to have a spot to put the monitor, the probe. All right. Other than that, I recommend it. I would use it. It works for me. I didn't read the instructions. Simple as that. I got excited about a new toy, which a lot of us guys do, and I just went for it. So no big deal. Okay, if you want to purchase this deal, I have a link below in the description to my Amazon account. It'll take you right there. It is an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you any extra to go through there. So if you don't mind, click on it and go there. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.